So there's two spots I want to work on. Well, actually, the first spot is right around his little neck on this right side. Right there.
And I can lay him down on a table. He can stay there.
Oh, we can adjust him just like this. This
Okay,
thing.
great. Did you see anything on the X-ray that might have...
No, not really. I mean, everything looks good on as far as the alignment. It looked like, did they have him, was he passed out when they did the X-rays?
No.
No.
No?
Alright,
So
what do we
for
got going on
ultrasounds.
here, buddy? Okay. I'm just gonna do a little, see that? See that? You wanna smell it? Mm-hmm. We're gonna do this right on your little back, right here, buddy. See? So bad it's gonna get. Just like that. Good boy. Okay, Big Marie, so I want to adjust your levels.
Gosh, I guess can't do that atlases too.
Yeah, much more stable than our Atlas. There's this really good. Ready, buddy? Good boy. Okay. So I'm gonna put my head over there. That's how it's gonna be. Okay, so this is perfect. Yeah, I'm still over here. I'm still over here, buddy.
It's amazing that
Has
he's
he been
not
eating better
afraid of
too?
you. Oh, yes.
Good.
Yeah, I'd say he's back to where he... Okay.
That might
Back
be
to
a
where
little
he
tender right
was.
there.